Hi there, Yashar here again. I'm one of the co-founders here at Impressive, and today we're actually going to show you how to create viral posts, whether it's on X or Twitter, as I still like to call it, or LinkedIn or otherwise. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and use the Twitter post generator. We'll go ahead and click run over here. Here is where we're going to start adding things. So I'm going to do a post specifically about Impressive. So let's say I put AI productivity. And of course, I have a spelling error there, so let's go and fix that. And then current trends to incorporate, we'll go and put AI, agents, agentic. We'll leave it at there. Here you can choose a desired tone. So let's go ahead and do thought-provoking just to see what happens. And then here, my audience or the ICP is going to be, let's say, product managers, engineers, founders. Okay, so we'll go ahead and hit execute now, and we'll go ahead and pause and see what happens. So as you can see, it's already gone through the analysis. It has created some of the information here, but what it's saying here, and this is an interesting thing, is it's actually identified a conflict, which is it's stating that you've requested a controversial tone, engineers and founders, that demographic that skews towards technical sophistication and industry nuance. Pure controversy without substance risks coming across as either inflammatory clickbait or tone deaf to this audience's values. So you can see it is providing a reasoning behind what it's telling us. So here it's actually going and providing us with a primary recommendation, which is this. Your AI productivity tool is just procrastination with better UI. Real productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters. Agents won't fix bad priorities. It's actually quite true. They'll just help fail faster and prettier. That's also true. And I say this as someone who's a former product manager. All right, so then it's telling you what the strategic rationale behind this is. And it's saying also how many characters this will be. So this falls certainly within the 280 characters that are allotted. But it's also providing us with several alternative variations that we could choose from. And it's telling us also technical recommendations when we should post this. So here it's saying the best posting time is Tuesday through Thursday between 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. So if you did not know that, now you know. And it's saying that the reason for that is because PMs and founders are actively engaged in strategic thinking, not in back-to-back meetings. Okay, avoid Mondays because there's a lot of noise. And Friday is definitely when people's attention span is skewing towards leaving the door. And then it's also saying visual pairing, avoid generic AI imagery. I'm pretty guilty of that, so I'm going to have to avoid that. I'm actually going to follow one of our marketing leads here. Our marketing manager, Jordan, is actually quite good at it, so I'm going to go ahead and follow his cue on that. So this is how you can go ahead and use Impressive or one of its agents for social media purposes. But you, of course, if you don't find an agent that suits your need, you can always create your own agent, as I shown in a previous video. If you have any questions from us, you can always email us. You can find us at hello@impressive.dev. You can follow us on social media, or better yet, you should follow us on Discord because we're quite active and so are our users there. See you guys next time. Bye.